Right, where are we today, babe?
Animal Kingdom.
Later start. Swallow it up, Charlotte. You're on the camera. Let's give it back down.
Right. Looking for it.
And the one after's 11.
Yeah, quite a shot there. Are we going that way or that way?
That way.
Oh.
Here's Piper this way. Woo!
No, then we probably have grandkids and I'll be like, let's take it.
No, we're not fuck
No,
now.
we're not taking it. I think it's Sam and Dylan and it's easy to get
No, you could have bought your watch, eh, Piper? Oh, pictures. Yeah. So a little blue